Most of the veterans, more than 95%, have very clearly expressed satisfaction. I am getting a lot of, there are more than 300 associations representing veterans. I get congratulations messages, comments from them which are very positive, and most of them have realized that उनकी जो मेजर मांग थी recognition of OROP वो पूरी हो गई है.
This is the Diwali gift that war veterans had been waiting for decades. One rank, one pension demanded by the veterans demanded a complex and tedious process with its financial ramifications. But nevertheless, the centre chose to fulfill the promise made by the PM. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the government has accepted most of the demands resolving the issue. He, however, added that the grievances can be addressed to the one-member judicial commission constituted to oversee its implementation.
The basic concept is accepted that one rank for one pension for one rank, same service करने वाले को हर 5 बरस में उसको रिविजिट किया जाएगा. ये बेसिकली हम लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया है. वो VRS का थोड़ा मामला आ गया था, वो भी हटा दिया. अभी जो बारीक बारीक रहेंगे उसके लिए कमीशन किया है, उसके सामने लेके जाएंगे.
The government has notified OROP from 7th November this year, which will be implemented retrospectively from 1st July 2014. The scheme will benefit more than 24 lakh pensioners and 6 lakh pensioner families. The scheme essentially implies that military personnel retiring in the same rank with the same length of service would get the same pension irrespective of their date of retirement.
तमाम सरकारें आई, हर सरकार को बताया गया और पूर्व सैनिकों ने बताया कि ये हमारे लिए सुविधा देनी चाहिए, लेकिन किसी ने नहीं दिया और इस सरकार ने इसको लागू किया है. इसमें जो पूर्व सैनिक हैं उनके डिमांड में और इसमें थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं फ़र्क रह गया है, लेकिन जो मुख्य बातें हैं वो मुख्य बातें पूरी इसमें मान ली गई हैं, दे दी गई हैं.
The arrears due to the pensioners will be paid in full biannual installments. The notification also implies that the pension review would be mandated every 5 years. Military personnel who opted for voluntary retirement will also fall under ambit of OROP.
अगर कोई डिमांड पूर्व सैनिकों की है जिसको वो लोग चाहते हैं कि रिकंसिडर हो, तो ये जुडिशल कमीशन इसीलिए है. और दूसरी बात मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो पहले गवर्नमेंट का स्टैंड था वो ये था कि 10 साल बाद हर 10 साल पर यह रिव्यू हो, जैसे पे कमीशन होता है. लेकिन पूर्व सैनिकों के आग्रह पर ही उन्होंने इसको 5 साल का कर दिया. तो यह जो 5 साल का किया गया है इससे पूर्व सैनिकों का फायदा है.
The implementation of OROP will cost the exchequer rupees 8,000 to 10,000 crore per annum. However, the pensions in arrear to be given to the veterans could shoot up the overall expenditure to 12,000 crore for the exchequer. The government has cleared the air on OROP by fulfilling the promises made and has also constituted the Judicial Commission to ensure that the grievances, if any, are addressed too. DD News.